I wrote a little book about movement because I think that movement might be one of the most powerful medicines of this century. We are in a bind. We are in a literal and figurative bind in that we can't figure out how to get out of our homes and out of our office chairs and off of our smartphones and out of our shoes and into the wind and into nature. The purpose of a Move Your DNA weekend is to help you understand and embody the technicality or the precision of a lot of our exercises. But it is also to expose you to movements or movement experiences that are not just the exercises. So maybe you read about taking your feet out and walking around barefoot, but you would feel better if you had a guide to help you pick a suitable place or to ensure that an area was safe for you. Or if you felt like you were close to going barefoot but not ready, that they would have something to offer, some sort of scale or adjustment to make it accessible to you.
You go to all kinds of different classes, but they don't teach you why or get in depth with it. It's just easy to understand the way they describe things and break it down, and they're knowledgeable.
We have instructors that I've been working with, some of them over 10 years, and they have gone through our training courses. They have worked thousands of hours with me in a live one-on-one format to really master and embody these exercises. And now they are going out all over the world and helping people recognize the technicality that's in the book that doesn't have to come from me. It can come from these extremely informed and gifted teachers.
The Move Your DNA weekend is all about learning to move better, learning to move more effectively, learning to move more. How do we reach our movement goals and how to get there?
When people leave a Move Your DNA weekend, my hope for them is that they recognize how easy it is to move more simply by moving more of themselves.